Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose apps over here and tap on app lock. Then choose turn on and tap on change password. Over here pick one of the login methods for your apps by clicking on the chosen one and entering it below. Then you need to confirm it by repeating it and choosing next at the bottom right corner. If you wish to sign in to your Me account, you can do that by clicking on the green button, but I don't want to, so I will go with not now. Wait 5 seconds and click not now again. Over here, if you wish to close all of those apps, just click use app lock right away, but I don't want to, so I have to click on every one of those and just use app lock then. Over here, if you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, you can do that by clicking on settings and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though, and now I can click on the switchers next to apps that I wish to clone. For example, gallery. So now when I click home button and try to access gallery, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!